Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Bernard Siew from Dental Designs. Today I wanted to speak to you a little bit about snoring and how that is actually related to the dentist. If you're struggling with any snoring, you can actually see your dentist about it. And what we would often do if you come to us with this issue is that we will assess your mouth and see whether it's very much to do with issues with your tongue, soft palate, or actually the positions of your jaw, or related more so to the upper airways around your nose as well. Because one thing to understand is that snoring is something to do with disrupted breathing when you are sleeping. Now, when you are snoring, the base of your throat and your jaw will actually flop backwards, and it causes a little bit of a throttle in your throat, and that's what causes the noise. One way to fix it as a dentist is that we can create a device called a mandibular advancement device. Let me show it to you. So it looks a little bit like this. And why it's called a mandibular advancement device is that your lower jaw is called the mandible. And advancement, of course, describes it as we are pushing that lower jaw a little bit more forward. So if you imagine when you're sleeping and you're snoring, it's because when you're lying down, the tongue and the base of your mouth actually just falls backwards. To create more space and so that you don't get that throttling noise is that we make a device that will push your lower jaw a little bit more forward and keep it there so that it doesn't collapse backwards. One of the theories is that when you are snoring, it's because when you sleep in a slightly deeper sleep, your muscles actually get a little bit floppy and it will just fall backwards, right? So this will actually just keep the lower jaw a little bit more forward, and then the tongue can't fall all the way back and obstruct your breathing so much, and the throttling noise will actually reduce. With one of these devices, we can actually make the jaw move even more forward if we have to actually calibrate the device to your own anatomy. And all this is done by using a scan. So we would scan your mouth and then create this device that is actually 3D printed. Before you actually have this device made, it's very important that you see an ENT specialist as well. And so we can actually organize that referral to you, and we are the first point of contact really, and so that we can actually assess to see how your mouth is doing, because it's not always appropriate that you have a mandibular advancement device. If let's say your jaw is very, very small and your teeth are quite crooked, or you're missing multiple teeth, sometimes a device like this is not appropriate right at that time until we fix all the other issues. And if you have any other types of dental diseases, we need to make sure that that's all completely sorted out and resolved before we make a mandibular advancement device. But the most important thing is that I usually would like you to see one of the other specialists to assess how your sleep is in general. So if you can imagine, if you are snoring because you're mouth breathing and you're not able to breathe through the top parts of your nasal cavity, then by doing a mandibular advancement device to stop the snoring, it will only solve part of your problem and not the whole issue. So when you see an ENT, what they would do is assess your sleep, and sometimes as much as a sleep study will be done, and then we will evaluate that. And once they say it's really quite okay for you to come back to us and make the snore guard, again, it's called a mandibular advancement device. Now, in some situations, we might even need to involve another specialist called an oral surgeon, and that's only in the small percentage of cases where the jaw is quite deficient and we have to surgically enhance it. Fortunately, most of the time, especially with just snoring, we can actually manage that with the devices now. And nowadays, the devices are quite thin and sleek, and it's quite easy for you to use. So yeah, if you're curious at all, please contact us and let us know, and we can definitely have a look and see whether we can help you with your snoring. Thank you.